Hey you guys, it's your girl Stephanie coming through with another video. So I bought this phone probably a good 2.5, 3 weeks ago, and I'm just now opening it. So I currently have the I think it's the 13 Max Pro or something. I don't know, but so I'm recording right now from the iPhone 13. I got a new iPhone. I ordered the iPhone 15 Plus, and let's see what it's all about. So I'm hoping to have some better content with this phone. So this is what it looks like. I think this is the ice blue, and it comes with, so it doesn't come with your normal iPhone cord. This looks like a USB. This looks like a USB cord. I don't know if you can really see it. See the two ends? This is like a USB cord adapter. So this is what it looks like. And then then it comes with, of course, an Apple sticker. I guess that's all it comes with. So let's see what this looks like. Really nice. The screen size is about the same. This is my previous phone. So we're gonna turn it on here. If you're new here, I am the CEO of Real Blue Cosmetics. If you are not a follower of mine, please do not forget the subscribe button and follow me on pretty much everything. Oh, there it goes. Pretty neat screen, pretty clear. I'm just gonna see how this is gonna do. It's a little heavy, kind of like if you have the 13 Max Pro, it's about the same weight as that, about the same screen. I think the screen on this is, I want to say 6 inches. Oh, it doesn't say. It doesn't say. So this is the iPhone 15 Plus, you guys. See you in the next video.